Ready? Shariyu, Kenai. Tenets of Taekwondo begin. Courtesy, humility, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. All right. Thank you for coming for today's graduation. Good to see you here. All right. Charlie will be doing the demonstration portion of your graduation. We'll start off with Hwarang, naming each skill as we go. Sliding elbow strike, bow Kumitachi, 1 step number 6, your 1 step, and your board break. And then we will present your new belt and your certificate of rank. Take 2 steps back for me. Okay. Take a step to your left. And chimney. All right. And let's do this together. Palm heel, cross block. Punch. Punch. Square block. Grab. Pull in. Reverse upset. Punch. Lunge punch. Downward knife strike.
Lunge punch.
Low block.
Low block. Lunge punch. Trap. 1.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. Strike. Lunge punch. Lunge punch. Knife hand guarding block. Spear hand middle. Knife hand guarding block. Down kick. Round kick. Knife hand guarding block.
What we got?
Low block. Reverse punch. Reverse punch. Reverse punch. Down.
That's block.
That's block. Sliding elbow strike. Low block, inner forearm lock combination. Low block, inner forearm lock combination. Knife hand guarding block. Knife hand guarding block.
Very good. Back to your place. All right. Next, we're doing the sliding elbow strike. You will need your helper for this. Now, do you want to do this on the shield or on Fred?
Fred.
Well, then get your helper, Fred. All right, helper, if I could have you right here, just facing front toward the mirrors. And let's move this out of the way. All right. Charlie, left foot out in front. Move back a little bit. Sliding elbow strike. Ready? 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. All right, now move back a little bit. We're going to do one more big slide, just as fast and as hard as you can. Good. Very good. All right, now right foot out in front with your left arm. 1. 2. 3, 4, 5. All right, now move back a little bit more. One more. Big slide as fast and as hard as you can. Good. Very good. Face your helper. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and put Fred back up. All right. Go right over here with me. We'll work on a bit of an angle here. Face, right here, face me. Can I? Did Ariana come on? Now, we can do this by my count, or we can go without a count. Which would you rather do?
Without him, so.
All right, and then let's begin. And continue. All right, very good. Now, have you right over there on yellow? One step number 6. All do the attack, the ski comes.
Attack.
Cross,
Okay.
move away. Let's go again.
I can remember that. Which step number 7, but I can't remember this one. Attack.
One more time.
Attack.
All right. Now, the one step you have created. Now, remind me of what attacks you need me to do for this.
So the thrust
Mm-hmm.
and then the side strike.
All right. When you're ready.
Attack. 2. Attack. 2.
All right. Shall we go once more without an attack command this time? Very good. Face me. Can I? All right. Go ahead and give your bow to your helper. All right. Now, board break. Your choice. Downward palm heel strike or axe kick.
The downward palm heel strike.
All right.
And I like doing that one.
One board or 2? 2. Which hand do you want to use for it? Okay. Okay. And take that foot, put it over on this side. Start up here, down and through. Again, just take a few aims. Just touch. That's looking good. When you're ready to go ahead and bow in. Set back up, take one more aim, just to be sure. Very good. Face me. Kidding. Good job. Well done. All right, go ahead. Take your broken boards. Give them to your helper.
I think that hurt my hand more than it hurt the boards.
All right. Now for the presentation portion of today's graduation. Advancing from the rank of senior green belt to the rank of blue belt, Charlie Waller. Fine job, Charlie. Well done. And turn towards your helper. Hold your certificate up, hold your belt up. There you go. Very good. Very good. Okay, and give your belt and your certificate to your helper. All right, let's go ahead and bow out. Ready? Shari, can I? Student oath begin. I pledge to be a champion of freedom and justice. I pledge to observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I pledge to respect my instructors and my fellow students. I pledge never to misuse Taekwondo. I pledge to build a more peaceful world. Thank you for coming for today's graduation, Charlie. It was good to see you here today. You've worked long and hard on learning these skills over the past few weeks. Put a lot of time and effort into this. And it showed at your promotion exam last week, at your graduation demonstration today. You look very strong on all of your skills. I'm very proud of the job you have done. Again, congratulations on earning your new rank. Well done. All right, face me. Okay. And this graduation is concluded. Go ahead and shift on.